My home is my castle. I would not want to move anywhere.
Pan bod ti wedi bod yn rhywle 54 years yn briod ac ysyrys, ti fi sy'n symud wedi.
This is my life. Can't imagine life anywhere else.
My life before care and repair came in was quite a struggle.
I was coming up the 3 steps outside. I was sort of holding onto the window frame with my fingernails.
I was diagnosed with my sight loss. It was quite a shock and it was a big adjustment.
I fell up the back doorstep. I needed some handrails, so I contacted Care and Repair.
Hello again. Dewch I mewn.
When Ian visited, it gave me real hope.
Working with Debbie and Francis gave me a lot of help with things I hadn't even thought of.
The guys from Care and Repair came along to change the light bulbs. It was so bright, it was incredible.
Leila did so much for us, unbelievable. The form she filled in and the patience she showed, she was absolutely fantastic.
Care and repair service is really important because it helps people stay independent in their own homes.
We can help with adaptations, repairs, technology.
Things have improved enormously for me and my family. They feel happier that I'm safe in it.
And if it hadn't been for Care and Repair, I could be in care.
If it hadn't been for Care and Repair, I'd probably been still stumbling along as best I could.
Provided you find the right support, you can do anything. Nothing needs to stop your life.